Kung 7-seaters ang hanap mo, ito ang swak sa'yo at sa budget mo. The 2026 Expander boosts a fresh look with Mitsubishi Dynamic Shield front-end design featuring more aggressive grille and sleeker LED headlamps. Yes guys, redesign na ang bumpers and LED fog lamps ng mga Expander natin na year model 2026. Maya pa Expander GLS at Expander Cross. With 17-inch two-tone alloy wheels, with high ground clearance, with active yaw control for improved cornering stability. At meron din itong multi-around monitor providing a 360-degree view for easier parking and 10-inch smartphone link display audio supporting wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. At may enjoy mo pa rin ang mga keyless operation, reverse camera, hill start assist, and dual zone air conditioning for a comfortable ride. Tara, pasukin natin ang loob ng Expander 2026 year model. There's also an 8-inch digital instrument cluster shared with the X-Force offering grips graphics. With the 3-spoke leather-wrapped electric power steering, and for safety, gets a boost with the 6 airbags in top-spec variants. The promising smarter styling and greater value for modern families, ito na yon ang Mitsubishi 2026 Expander. Kaya kung ikaw ay nagbabalak kumuha ng sasakyan, maaari mo po ako makontak sa details na makikita nyo po sa screen. Maaari ko rin po kayong matulungan para mapasok to sa negosyo, mapa-in-drive man or grab. The 2026 Mitsubishi Expander is packed with exciting new features that surely elevate your driving experience. So ano pang inaantay mo? Kontakin mo na ako at baka matulungan kita makakuha ng sasakyan. I'm Leilani Mendoza, your sales consultant here at Mitsubishi Picasso Abad Santos, Tondo, Manila.